Are you going abroad to study for the first time as an international student? Here is a list of what to pack so you do not overpack or forget the important stuff. Let's start with one of the most important things you can't afford to forget: your document, your passport and visa document, your admission letter, your cards, proof of accommodation, your bank statement, your medical records if it's necessary, photocopies of everything so you have backup, and keep digital copies too. You will need your vaccination and TB test record if it's applicable to your country, travel insurance, cash and card. Yes, you need both. Next up, electronics and accessories. Bring your laptop and charger, a universal plug adapter, or pick one specific to the country you're traveling to, and a power bank. Now, let's talk clothes. You don't need to pack your entire closet to travel with you. Just pack a few everyday outfits. And if you're coming in September, you would want to pack 1 or 2 winter coats for the first few weeks that you are here. The rest, you could always buy them. For your body and skin care, bring your go-to products. Keep a travel size for now. You can always stock up when you arrive. Also, pack any prescription medications with a doctor's note. Bring a basic first aid kit with common medicines like painkillers and allergy tablets that you would always need. Now, here's a list of the things you can skip because you can buy them once you get plates, cutlery sets, and cookery and all those things. You don't have to bother yourself getting them because you can get them once you're here. And if you rent a fully furnished student accommodation, they all come with it. Don't bother getting your course books from your home country. You can use the library. The libraries are full of books and you could always borrow these books. Next up is one of the most important things: food. You don't have to pack all the food stuff from your country to bring here. There are African shops, there are Caribbean shops, there are Asian shops. Now, a final tip before you zip that bag: don't forget to fold your clothes to save space. Put all liquid things you pack into a Ziploc bag to prevent leaks, and put your important documents in your hand luggage and not in your suitcase. And don't forget to save this video because you might need it when you start packing.